Follow the steps on how to remove the artboard layer in Photoshop. As a beginner, you may feel uncomfortable with the appearance of this artboard. To remove it is very easy. Select, then right-click, select Ungroup Artboards. And to color this canvas you can use the Paint Bucket tool. Tips: when you create a new document, you can disable it here if you don't want to use the artboard. Good luck! Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.